Good morning, students. Today we will have a look on the first chapter. So, we will discuss the exercise and question answer of first chapter. Let's see. Tick the correct option. First, people migrate from one place to another for. There is mentioned three options: a job, a better education, and both of these. So you tick both of these, means job and better education both. We see second point. Thousands of people are displaced. The correct option is C. Both of these, means the thousands of people are displaced when dams are constructed and because of disaster also. Third point. The forced movement of people from one place to another is called first A. Migration, B. Emigration, C. Displacement. So now the option C is the correct option, displacement. Fourth, the displaced people have to live on outskirts of city without days amenities. There is given basic, primary, secondary. So the correct option is basic. Let's see B. Fill in the blanks. There is given help box, forced immigrants, technology, social, economics. Now we see first point. Dash and dash changes are responsible for migration. So, social and economic changes are responsible for migration. Second one, people who migrate from their own country to settle in another country are called immigrants. Okay. Third, due to advanced dash, we have been able to be connected with one relatives who are staying outside our country. So means we can meet our relatives, those who are living out of our country. So due to advanced technology, we have been able to connected with our relatives who are staying outside our country. Fourth point. Displacement is the dash movement from one place to another. Displacement is forced movement from one place to another. Let's see true and false. 1. Vanjaras move in caravan from one place to another. Its answer is true, because Banjara move one place to another place in the group. Second, people having transferable job need not arrange a new house in the new place. Its answer is false. Why? Because people having transferable job need arrange a new house in the new place. Third, when slums are demolished, people are forced to move from their houses. Yeah, it is true. Let's see point number 4. During olden times, most of women got equal opportunity in the field of education and career. It is false because in olden time women did not get equal opportunity in the all field. Dear children, now we will discuss about question answer. First question is, why do people migrate? So people migrate due to construction of dams, factories, buildings, roads, etc. and also due to demolitions of slums. Natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, cyclones, etc. That's why people migrate. There is given to many reasons. Okay? See, second question. Why do you mean by migration? Its answer is migration is the movement of people from one place to another. Migration means migration is a movement of people from one place to another. Third, what is difference between emigrations and immigration? First one, immigration. Immigration means the people who migrate from their own country to settle down in another country are called immigrant. Next, immigration. Immigration means people who move into a particular country to live there permanently are called immigration. You understood what is the difference between the immigration and emigration? In emigrations, people move their own country to settle in another country, and immigration means people move particular country to live in permanent country. Now we see question number 4. Now we discuss about question number 4. What are the reasons of displacement? The reasons of displacement are due to natural disasters, due to demolished slums, construction of factories, dams, roads, etc. These are reasons of displacement. Question number 5. What were the women in olden days supposed to do? In olden days, women used to wash clothes, clean utensils, cook food and take care of the children. Now, we have discussed question answer and exercise of chapter 1.